the difference between one helicopter and another. They got a canopy, they got boom, and they got a rotor. Can you tell the difference, Steve?
I can. That's a Thunder Tiger Raptor 90 G4.
I thought it was a D3, but I didn't see the curve under the.
See that big G4 on the canopy? That's
how you do it. That's how you do it. Thank God Steve came up here and held it out because I know nothing. All I know is get ready for some action. Ladies and gentlemen, make it feel welcome, Mr. Nick Maxwell. What's he going to do, dude?
Oh, he's going to, how are we going to turn this thing inside out if I know Nick? So hang on. This machine's powered by an OS-105 and it's got a prototype pipe on it. Oh, he's going to go out and play with Joe also. But Nick's making his own pipe shop, got a prototype pipe on it. It's a long way to wait, Bob.
That is a long way. I bet the electric boys are getting an eyeball right there. Now this is cool, folks. This is the part of the big demo. But up the XFC, I just can't imagine how these guys are wired differently. They go from your crash to your crash faster than anything I've ever seen, Steve.
Fortunately, he's got a lot of parts. Now Nick is really been loving this machine and think they're decent and it flies and it keeps his flying now quite well.
Now I really had to do. That was like a helicopter there. You want to fly back?
You don't want to be close to that.
Yeah, it hadn't been that long ago. I remember the XFC. The pilots were actually breaking the helis in the air. I mean, they were hitting the ground and making the ankle apart. Looks like we've come a long way.
Yeah, the guys just kind of figured out what the limbs of the machines are and they tend to stay with them.
God. Did you guys see that at home? He just went through those trees, inverted, and backwards with a helicopter.
He definitely has that young eyes, young fingers. You know,
that's
on top
really
of all
good.
That, Nick can design these machines and make them do anything he wants.
There's the chaos. Yeah. We all loving this, folks? Can you see this? It's about 100 G's going around. Now, Steve, I don't think it's a good idea to talk Nick into flying really close to that sign as fast as you can. I think that's a bad idea.
Yeah, you know, he probably should be talking, but it's a bad idea. Never stop him before.
That was a bad idea. We're full on with it. You know, it hasn't been that long ago that nobody was ever doing like rollers or anything inside the tree line for the pilot station. Now it's commonplace. All right, even down to trim the grass. Is he gonna do it?
Yeah, you know, he didn't think Cat's 36-foot mower did a good enough job yesterday, I guess. So we're going to get it a little lower.
I'll hear it, folks. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, replace the divot. That's Aaron's always the answer. Now, what am I? These guys are wired differently, too.
Yeah, they're wired. We're not.
How many guys are going to have flying helis at the XFC this year?
What? Hey, Frank, how many helis? 1, 5, 7, 8? 8, all right. 18. Is that what you got?
Hey, did the one first?
Yeah, 18. I guess we opened it up to 10 more guys.
The cool thing on that is that the stride maneuvers that they have to do is what.
Jesus Christ, how the hell's he doing that?
That doesn't make sense.
Holy shit.
That really does not make sense.
Woo.
I can tell you that was a scary foot. I mean, just the visual of that. Oh my God, safe. Oh my God, safe. Oh my God, safe. Oh, this is the part I love. When they go super high, that means something cool's gonna happen. Now I'm gonna do the blade stoppers. This used to be something they try to avoid too. Now it's getting commonplace. Now as long as you see smoke, you're good to go, right? See?
That's what they tell you.
Well, smoke up in the area. The diving passive doom.
Just does something really weird right in front of us.
Nah. See? Right in the air. Mr. Nick Maxwell, folks, and that's the fly.
That head is running about 1,900 RPM right now with 710 millimeter blades. So it's got a lot of carbon fibers going out there.
Dude, why do you guys do all that new metric? Can't somebody do a 14 installation? I mean, is it all metric?
Damn. Close those trees.
Yeah, I missed that, Nick. Could you do that one more time? Come on, Nick. Do it. This is your conscience speaking. You deserve to find your pine trees. The pine trees are mocking you. All right, we still got smoke. Did he fly the pines? Did he what? Did he fly the pines? I missed that completely. Perfect. Oh, I like that.